Welcome to today's installment. What we're going to be making is Katsu curry. So let's kick it off with the ingredients. First we have 2 chicken breasts, 1 egg, some panko breadcrumbs, 1 onion, some garlic, ginger, 1 carrot, 1 scallion or spring onion, 1 pepper, some coconut milk, bay leaves, some chilies, some curry powder, some turmeric, garam masala, some honey, and some salt and some pepper. Okay, so first thing we're going to do here is just cut our onion into smaller, manageable pieces. Ginger. What I'm going to do is just use a chunk about roughly that size. Again, just cut the ginger into more manageable pieces. Leave that side. And then we've got our garlic. And we're just going to use 3 cloves of garlic. And just crush down. Right, so we're just going to put this into our blender. So goes our ginger, and there's plenty of water within the onions to just do a dry blend for our paste. So we're just going to bring our pan to heat. I'm going to add some olive oil to the base. Add our paste to the oil. Okay, so we've had our paste heating up for roughly 6 to 7 minutes now. So let's just have a look. As you can see, it's starting to really take its colour. So what we're going to do next is add our carrots. Give that a quick mix around. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of curry powder, two bay leaves, and give that a good mix. Alright, next we have 100 milliliters of water. Just going to add that to the curry, and again just give it a good mix around. Add your garam masala. Add your turmeric. A couple of chilies. Right, add 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon's worth of pepper, and we're going to use 1 tablespoon of honey. Right, so what we're going to do next is take our pieces of chicken here, and we're just going to tenderize the chicken by slamming it down. If you've got a rolling pin, etc., then use that. Just give it a pat down, not too hard, but at medium. Right, so what we have here is our chicken station. What we're going to do next is just add some panko breadcrumbs to the station. And we're going to do it in this order first. We're going to go chicken, into the egg, into the panko crumbs, and to the side. So just get it nice and eggy. Dunk it in. Chicken in here. Nice and eggy. Just press down. And that just helps the breadcrumbs to attach to the meat. I'm just getting all those little extra areas that it hasn't attached to yet. And we'll put that over to the side. Right, so now it's time to see how our katsu curry is getting on. So let's have a look. Nice, you can smell how delicious that is. Right, so our oil's nice and hot, so it's time to put our chicken in. You just want to put it in and away from you. Just give it a quick flip. So our katsu is nice and gold, both sides. We're just going to put that onto a wire rack with some tissue underneath. Just let that come to a settle. Okay, right, so we've let our chicken settle on a wire rack. So what we're going to do now is just give it a slice at a diagonal angle.
She was so sublime, super fine. She was never lying, strutting in the heels or her slides. Either way, eyes on her every single day, week, year. Everyone wondering how she does it with no fear. All that confidence, was it heaven sent? Does it come within? Does it come run out? I don't know. She'll just have them running out and in. Man, they want to sin, talking deadly sin with Mrs. Lady. I don't understand why she hit them like